Hi, this is Lata. Today I would like to share my experience on online or the virtual sessions with English language training. When these sessions were forced on us due to the pandemic, like anyone out there, I too was not really feeling comfortable, and maybe the reason is that we are so used to the regular sessions. And when my first session with my first student took off, here I would like to introduce, I'm really happy to introduce my first student online, Mr. Shankar. He works with the Hindu newspaper, the Tamil edition, as a sub-editor. The end of the first session, the first day, we both felt at ease. And as the days went on, we felt more comfortable training from this end and learning the other end. Learning from the other end. Nearly after 1 month, when I asked Mr. Shankar how he felt about these sessions, since it was his first experience too, what he the exact sentence what he shared with me was, the trainer conducts the training in a very effortless manner and the student learns it in a very effortless manner. I was really happy to get this feedback from the student. And as a trainer, what I have noticed, the benefits I have noticed on these online sessions are, the first and foremost is, a person can be where he or she is and learn from or train from a comfortable space. The second important thing is the flexibility of the timings. The third very important thing is, a person gets, a student gets a lot of time for the chat sessions, which comes under the interpersonal skills, which again comes under the soft skills. And these chat sessions are very, very important for any language enhancement for that matter. And whether it's a one-to-one class sessions or a group, what happens is when one chats with the trainer, the other listens to it. And everybody gets a turn to chat and listen. So the speech skills and the listening skills go side by side. I'm really happy with these sessions. I really enjoy the sessions with English language training. Thank you.